So now we are going to see how the motor works. First, we all need to switch on the power supply. To see how the motor and the sensor works, we need to place some amount of water on the sensors. And by this, you can see how the motor gets to its action. It will continue in its action until the water present on the surface gets completely clear. Let's try to remove the water from the surface of the sensor. As we can see, the action of the motor is decreasing from its speed, and after completely removal of water, motor stops working after completely removal of water.